This is a pure sine wave AC output system, so it's able to connect to computers or any type of sensitive electronics that have circuit boards inside. You're completely safe to run just about anything on this that is under 1300 continuous watts. Now we'll do a little bit of testing on that in a minute. You have an input for an AC adapter. That input will allow you to charge via plugging into the power grid. Or you can take it outside and use its included MPPT, which is a solar charging base unit on the inside that will even take a pretty dull day outside, not very sunny, and make this unit charge at the fastest rate that is possible. And you can also connect this up to a cigarette lighter adapter or a 12-volt output and charge this unit. It's very simple to charge and it's very quick to charge. Part of having this unit is being able to see exactly what happens through the smart output display. As you can see, we plug this in, it's going through its setup at this point in time. It's telling us that we have 1.4 hours till it's totally charged. Tells us it's charging, tells us the input wattage, and that's the output wattage that's there. We can change this by a little button on the side from power saving mode to normal mode, and that's going to allow us to have this unit turn on and off based on its usage. It's smart. I mean, that's what's great about this. Included in it is a BCM, a battery control management system, that's going to allow you to put this away and not have to charge it every couple months. It's going to control the batteries, keep them all balanced, and allow you to pull this out after 6 months and see that it's still either fully charged or very close to, which is completely different than a lot of the units that you'll find out there on the market. If we're going to plug this in, we'll first turn on our AC output just to make sure that we have a 110 volts for AC or US AC output. You can see here we are running at 110.1. We should have 60 hertz. So if we flip over here, 59.97. So this is absolutely perfect. If we plug in our 1400 watt heater, we'll first put it on medium. This should take us up to about 740 here for watt output, 725. You can see we still have voltage going through here. That is going to be 110, 110.1, so that's great. We can kick this guy up. This is going to be on high, close to the max output of this. It's showing that we're doing 1342 watts output. That is just above its 1300 watt continuous. It's able to hold that and still hold the 110 volts. That is absolutely awesome and something that you're not going to find on every unit out there. This is a very quality unit. We can also push this a little bit beyond its comfort zone of 1300 watts continuous. If you watch the smart screen here, I'm going to kick on this saw. It's going to take it up to close to 18 or 1900 watts and then come back down. So with that surge capacity, you're able to run larger items like saws, take this out on the job site and work in many different areas. And you're going to be able to see the different times on this side as far as how long it is till it's fully charged or how long it is until it's empty. That's all going to change based on what's happening with this unit. You can also turn on the DC side of this where you have two 5-volt USB-A's, one quick charge USB-A and one PD60 USB-C, and also a 12-volt adapter or cigarette lighter adapter. There is a lot of ways of connecting to this unit, and it's so easy to use. You just push the button to turn them on, push and hold to turn them off. You also have an LED light up front that has multiple modes. Push to turn on, push again quickly to go through its modes. That's an SOS mode. You have a beacon mode, and then you have just kind of a slow up and down mode, which is great. And then it starts over, push and hold to turn off. This is a very nice unit with a warranty, and it is very affordable compared to many others that are out there on the market. And this screen display is absolutely amazing, nice, colorful, and easy to read.